Hey garden lovers, in the book of Genesis it says, "And God said, let the earth bring forth grass." Isn't that beautiful? Just like how the earth brings forth grass, we can grow our own little patches of green right in our homes. Today we're talking about one of my favorites, lemongrass. First off, lemongrass is much more than just a tasty addition to your dishes. It's a powerhouse of benefits, from aiding digestion to relieving anxiety. Plus, it smells amazing. So how do you grow this wonder herb indoors all year round? Let me guide you. Step 1. Grab a fresh lemongrass stalk from your local store. Make sure it has a firm base, as this is where new roots will sprout. Place it in a glass of water and within 2 weeks, you'll see roots forming. Once you have a good root system, it's time for potting. Choose a pot with good drainage because lemongrass loves water but hates soggy roots. Fill it with well-draining potting mix and plant your lemongrass stalk about an inch deep. Place the pot in a sunny spot because this herb craves sunlight. Water it regularly, but don't let it sit in water. A simple tip: let the top inch of the soil dry out before you water again. And there you have it. With just a little care, your indoor lemongrass will thrive, giving you a fresh supply all year round. But wait, there's more. Not only is lemongrass a breeze to grow, but it's also incredibly versatile. You can use it to make soothing teas, aromatic oils, and it's the perfect addition to so many recipes. Imagine the aroma filling your home as you cook a delicious lemongrass-infused soup or stir-fry. Here's a little positive quote to wrap things up. The greatest wealth is health. And what better way to boost your health than by growing and using your own fresh lemongrass? So grab some lemongrass stalks, get planting, and enjoy the benefits of this amazing herb. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. See you next time.